Hi, if you have a 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 LE with a 4.0 engine, you may want to subscribe to my channel. I try to post at least once a week simple repairs that you can do yourself on your Land Rover. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. But before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell. Believe it or not, this helps me continue making these videos. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these two lines. It's going to take a 11mm wrench and you just unscrew them. It's as simple as that. Just make sure you're not bending any of these lines. If you bend any of these lines, you're going to have to replace them. Also, before you start, you may want to put a lot of rags on the bottom in case this brake fluid drips. As you know, brake fluid will take the paint off your vehicle. Just go ahead and remove these two lines. Okay, now that we got the lines disconnected, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove any lines or hoses that are above the hydro booster and the brake master cylinder. Obviously, when we remove it, it's going to come upward, so we need to remove anything that's going to impair that. Next, we're going to remove the brake master cylinder. You're going to take your 1/2-inch wrench. You're going to remove two nuts, one on each side. Here I'm using a ratcheted box wrench. It's a little more convenient. When you take the nut off, be careful not to lose the washer. As you can see here, I'm using a magnet to pull the washer off so I won't drop it accidentally. Once you have that off, go on the other side. And what I did is I used a long extension. In order for me to get the extension in there, I had to remove this air duct. Just unsnap it and set it aside. Again, be careful not to lose the nut and the washer. And as you can see, I used a magnet to take the washer off to ensure that I don't lose it. Now that we have removed the two nuts that are attached to the brake master cylinder, we can now remove the brake master cylinder. Now, when you take it out, be careful because there's an O-ring between the brake master cylinder and the booster. Don't lose that. Well, that's how you remove your brake master cylinder. It's pretty easy to put back together. Just make sure the O-ring's in place and just do the same thing just backwards. It's that simple. Once you have the brake master cylinder installed, just fill it up with brake fluid and bleed your brakes. I'm not going to show you how to do that. There's other YouTube videos that'll show you how to bleed your brakes. It's pretty simple. Okay, well I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was very informative. please check out my other how-to videos. Oh, and check out my new website. There's new items being put in there every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, hit the bell. Until then, we'll see you at my next video. Bye.